Yes, what's up? Sa video ito, pag-uusapan natin yung status ko as of the moment. Marami sa atin sa buhay ngayon na mas tumatagal yung panahon, mas nag increase yung edad natin, nadadagdagan yung edad. Kamusta yung mga achievements mo sa buhay? Sa video ito, I want to share something. This is just a live parang tracking videos wherein siguro sa future I'll be looking back to these videos. So basically, as of the moment, I am 25 years old. And ano-ano ba yung mga na-achieve ko sa buhay? I'm already a degree holder, a graduate of Bachelor's of Secondary Education in Nutrient Sciences. Secondly, I already taken my LET and passed it. As of the moment, yan, nag-resign ako sa previous na tinatrabuhan ko, which is the Ateneo Sambong University. 2 years teaching experience, tough experiences kasi from online, and nakipagbakbakan ako sa face to face na naging parang training ground ko na rin. But fortunately, looking at the better ways or better opportunities, nakarinig ako sa mga kasama ko na may opportunities ang DOST na mag-scholar sila, naghanap sila ng mga scholars for masters, specifically MST Biology. As of the moment, I am taking that course right now. Now, tingnan natin. Going with the idea that we have to really achieve self-actualization. Self-actualization, ito yung highest form of achievement that you could possibly attain within yourself. Now, gusto ko matrack siya with these videos. As of the moment, ano ba yung situation ko? Gano ba ka parang gano ba ka parang real? Gano ba ka attainable? Gano ba ka realistic ang mga ginagawa ko ngayon? Well, motivation aspect, parang I'm really not into whatever I'm doing right now. Mahal ko ba yung ginagawa ko? Gusto ko ba yung ginagawa ko? Actually, I am not very particular with it. Parang I'm just doing it for compliance. I'm just doing things just to make commitment, just to meet with expectations, trying to go with the objectives. Do I really love what I'm doing? Parang ganun yung idea. Na which is hindi ko masyadong masagot. So, sa video ito, it will be better that I'm gonna be tracking all of my experiences. Okay, this is, before we proceed further now, this is August 20, 2024. Ayun. Hopefully, in a couple of days, makaka-develop tayo ng something out of our planning. Kasi magpaplano ako, I'll be setting up some framework, magkakaroon ako ng set of bullet plans na checklist for achievements, mga ganun mga bagay. Actually, wala talaga akong idea. I was just looking, browsing, realizing kung paano ako namumuhay ngayon. I'm not financially stable yet. Very volatile minsan, okay siya, minsan walang-wala talaga, kadalasan walang-wala din talaga. So people are very much more dependent on asking for financial support from my family, other people around me. Parang ganun yung idea. So it's very heavy in my part. So yun, yeah, hopefully couple of days, couple of years, trying to explore yung tinatawag na entrepreneurial opportunity. Yan sa aspect ng business siya. Kasi yung nagbibigay talaga ng, if you really wanted financial sustainability. So, hindi magiging stable yung pagpaplano, pagpaprocess ng paano gawin if we do not fix ourselves yet. So, ang pinakaunang dapat kong gawin is ayusin ko muna yung sarili ko in terms of my personal aspect. How am I with my leisure time? How am I with my time in general? Am I making progress as day passes by? So, yun yung mga dapat titingnan ko. So, hanggang dito na lang muna ang video. 5 minutes video will do. I might not be updating from day to day basis, but probably a week. So, yun. Hope for the best. So, God bless everyone. God bless to myself and to my families and loved ones.